Hello, good morning to all. Today we have to study about hermetically sealed compressor, the topic subject of refrigeration and air conditioning system. Hermetically sealed compressor, we have to mostly know word for a compressor. Most of the public common person or students are not hear about the hermetically sealed compressor. Hermetically sealed means the base of the compressor is mounted with the electric motor and reciprocating pump. Then after the top side is hermetically safe and we have to close and close with the highly sealed. That's the inside and outside atmospheric condition pressure are not affected to a compressor. So that's called as a hermetically sealed compressor. Topic to be covered in this video. What is compressor? Hermetic compressor, cut section view of compressor, hermetically sealed compressor and its working, suction and discharge of refrigerant at compressor. This we have to study. What is compressor? And air compress is a device that convert power using by electric motor, diesel, gasoline engine, etc. Means any type of the device we have to convert power, but we have to get or absorb power from electric motor, diesel or gasoline engine into the potential energy and storage in a pressurized air. Also we have said that as a compressed air. We have to know that the normal compressor are working with air or gas and pump are working with liquid, but we have to compress the air. So these compressed are highly pressurized air and we have to store in a pressurized tank or any another utilization or uses. By one of the survival method, the air compressor force more and more air into the storage tank and increase the pressure. This compressor we have to using in our refrigeration system, so that it's required a higher and higher pressure. This compressor discharge flow is very slow, but it's give a higher pressure to output. The purpose of this compressor to circulate the refrigerant in the system under the pressure. This concentrate the heat is contained. At the compressor, the low pressure gas is charged to high pressure gas. Means that the compressor working is the suction side and discharge side. At the suction side is a very low pressure gas are coming from the evaporator and it gives the higher pressurized gas at the after compression process to working a refrigeration cycle to continuous flow into the systems. The basic working principle of the air compressor is to compress atmospheric air, which is then used as per requirement. In the process, atmospheric air is drawn in through an intake valve. More and more air is pulled inside the limited space mechanically by means of piston, impeller, or any vane. Means we have to require a higher pressure, so that we have to give more and more air into the storage tank. It's give a step by step pressure increasing. This mechanically work done by the compressor through piston, impeller or any vane. This is the main function and working of the compressor. Hermetically sealed compressor. A hermetically sealed compressor is one which both compressor and motor are confined in a single outer welded steel cell. Means we have to assuming there is a one steel cell. Means there is a one steel cell. We have to putting a one element as a motor which give a rotary motion, and then another is a compressor, means single acting, double acting, scroll compressor, screw compressor, any type of the compressor we have to mount it within these with connectors of the motor which give the rotary motion to the compressor, and these all are welded with a portion, half portion divided. This is called a hermetically sealed compressor, where the outer pressure and inside pressure are not affected. The motor and the compressor are directly coupled onto the same shaft with the motor inside the refrigeration circuit. Hermetically sealed compressors are assembled and unclosed in a strong or rigid casing made up of welded steel cell. Because of the we have to maintaining a higher pressure inside the compressor, so that we have to give a strong and rigid casing with welded joint. The steel set comprised of two half-rounded steel body that are welded together. Means the one is a hermetically top side of the compressor and bottom side is base, where is the motor is mounted, and here is a compressor and coupled with the single shaft. This portion are we have to highly sealed weld, so that the hermetically sealed compressor. This is the cut section view of the hermetically sealed compressor. First, you have to show hermetically sealed compressor outer steel casing. This is the blue portion we have to show, that is a hermetically sealed compressor casing which was made from the steel. These are the four leg of the compressor to provide a base and or platform. The half cut section is there and another hermetically half cut section is there. The compressor divided into the two portion. Half portion is a bottom side where we have to mount an electric motor, and top side is a cover of the all assembled system, and then after we have to weld it. This portion are shown mentioned as a welded, this two portion of the compressor casing. Compressor casing is one is a bottom side and another is a top side casing welded with a high weld or sealed. We have to show up all the component. Internal pressure relief valve. This is the internal pressure relief valve. Due to the higher speed or higher superheated refrigerant, it's given more and more pressure with a critical limit cross. This is the internal pressure valve, relieve the critical pressure and maintain the design pressure into refrigerant line or conditioner line. Second topic is this muffler. Muffler is that it's give a protection against the higher magnetic field. This is the piston. Piston is this assembled system are single acting reciprocating pump, where is the one piston and one cylinder, one inlet and one outlet are mounted on this total assemble for the refrigerant flow from lower pressure to higher pressure. This is the crankcase heater. In case of winter condition, sometimes the reciprocating single acting reciprocating mechanism are not work. For that, he give a crankcase heater for smoothly running condition. It is all inside the glass, means the all assemble are with fill in a oil. Because of the we have to this compressor highly welded pipe, so it cannot be possible to open or close anytime for a lubrication purpose, so that the we have give the oil inside the compressor for continuous lubrication of the systems. Discharge connection. This is the discharge from the compressor, and this line is a suction line where is the refrigerant in and there is out of refrigerant. This portion R is a motor winding core, means it produces a magnetic field where we have to give the electricity. This is the terminal blocks where we have to give electricity as a phase, neutral and earthing into the compressor for a working of the compressor. These are mentioned as a spring. The spring are mounted in the base of the motor and compressor assembly to absorb the additional vibration. The spring are provided. This is the normal figure of the hermetically sealed compressor, suction line, welded joint, piston, discharge line, discharge valve, discharge and suction valve, and these are the base platform. First we have to starting from the suction side. The refrigerant coming from the suction line. Suction line is directly connected to a evaporator, where is the refrigerant are come with the low pressure and low temperature. This suction line to refrigerant are enter into the compressor and freely move at the compressor inside. Then after that, this refrigerant pass to the piston cylinder arrangement, single acting piston cylinder arrangement inside, and the piston's movement is reciprocating motion. This reciprocating motion is converted by the rotary motion due to the piston crank and crankshaft. This crank and crankshaft gives the rotary motion from the electric motor. This is the electric motor, this is the winding core. The motor and this both are winding core, and it gives a rotational motion. The motor give rotational motion, where this portion give rotary motion to reciprocating motion. Then after that, this reciprocating motion, the pistons move to stroke 1, stroke 2, stroke 1, stroke 2 for the suction valve to enter gas inlet and discharge valve to gas outlet as a pressurized gas. Here is the downside. Yellow portion is mentioned a oil inside the compressor. These oil are used for the lubrication purpose to working a mechanical component part. Because of that, we have to weld two portion, top side of the compressor and bottom side of the compressor. We cannot remove any time to give lubrication. It is not easily possible to remove any time, so that we have to give oil inside the compressor to continuous lubrication of this mechanical system, and it's gives cool down of the compressor system. The oil's working is there to lubricate the system and cool down the compressor. This is the suction and discharge of refrigerant air compressor. This assemble figure is 1 and 2. First is a suction and second is a discharge. We have to show that this figure we have to enlarge form and suction and discharge stroke in this view. First, the piston move downward direction and suction valve is open and discharge valve is closed. Then after the second figure is the piston move upward direction, the suction valve is closed and discharge valve is open, and pressurized gas is coming out from the compressor. Single acting reciprocating motion, and this assembly is convert rotary motion to reciprocating motion for operating of the compressor. You have to mention that when its rotary motion is rotated by an electric motor. This is the electric motor give a rotary motion. This is the basic working of the hermetically sealed compressor. Okay, thank you.